Hi, it's Bill from One Betty Bill. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the cargo cover in my 2015 Hyundai Santa Fe. Yeah, all of them have the little cargo cover back here. Sunshade, whatever you want to call it. Just pull it, hook it in the slot, and you've got it. But there's several different ways you can use this. Stretches across the whole back. Now you've got somebody in your back seat that wants to put that seat back, so there's notches on both sides. So all you have to do is move that baby back. Okay, just move that back. It'll click in the back notch, click in the back notch. Now whoever's sitting in the back seat, if they want to recline their seat a little bit, they can do it. And this the same way, your sun cover shade, just pull it back. That's all there's to that part. Now there's one other area. Now you don't want this baby in there at all. If you have something large that you're doing, go on back, open up your bottom cargo area, and you'll notice there's a notch here on each side and here. What we're going to do, we're going to take this out and store it. So again, take it out, just push it in, spring action. Move it down to the bottom notch. Put the one notch in. Again, spring action. Pull it in. It'll drop right in. Just want to make sure the cover is to the side here. You don't want this set in there turned up, or of course you won't be able to close it. So now that's in there. Close your cover. Put the carpet back on. And there you have it. Hidden away your shade, your cover for your Hyundai. And this is the same for several years, 2014, 15, 16 on up. So quick and easy, storing your cover in your cargo area. Have a great day. Thanks for watching One Betty Bill. Enjoy your Santa Fe.